하나 둘셋
안녕하세요, Step Kitty Up입니다.
안녕하십니까.
Hey, I'm Jeremy. Welcome back to the Step Your Kitty Up channel.
Yeah, welcome back. If you are new, go ahead and like and subscribe. Hit the bell icon, do all the YouTube things. And if you're returning, welcome back.
Welcome back to our channel.
So we've got another cosmetics video today, but it's not
Slash unboxing.
This is a fun video.
No, so I am a Muppets fan, and I heard that Miss Piggy was doing a little collab with Ciaté London. We are doing a little unboxing of the very important Pig collection. From
Very important pig.
VIP.
Shut up.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my god.
So yeah, so we've got the VIP box and we got the handheld mirror here. And it comes in a really cute box, so I think I want to keep the box.
Well, can I see the box?
I mean,
I'm
sure.
sorry, you've had this. Oh wow, it's her face.
Look, and I'll show you all this box. Look how cute this is. Oh my gosh, you look just like her. Oh. Well, it's got a little plastic protector. This is already so well.
Oh my god!
Look at this. It comes in a little
That is
holder.
the cutest shit I have ever seen ever.
So look, it actually is Miss Piggy. Oh, that's me. Look how cute this is.
Oh my
so now
god.
I can like sit here and look at myself, but then look back.
And then I can look at myself. Wow, how to identify the Aries in the room.
Oh, okay, so hold on. I'm going to have to hold this over the mirror to show you. But on this side of the handle...
I love that for you.
On this side of the handle, it's actually got an indentation where it says Miss Piggy.
Can I see?
On there. Look.
Oh, that's awesome!
Look,
Okay,
look.
now show them again.
Look at that. Isn't that so cute?
It looks like a popsicle stick. Oh, wow. This is nice.
Right?
This feels sturdy.
It's got some nice weight to it, doesn't it?
It's balanced.
Like, I'm not going to play ping pong
Like,
with it or
it feels
anything.
like the whole thing might have a metal base, and this might just be like a wrapping, you know?
That's what you look like. Just so you know.
No, not this.
Alright, so now I'm going to leave this over here so it's available.
Okay.
For while we're unboxing.
Here,
Okay.
it's not mine.
Okay, so look. So
I'm going to
here
resist
it
the
is.
urge to pull that shit out.
Here is the very important Pig Collection box. So we've got 3 pieces inside the box.
Yes! What do we got here? If this is the eyeshadow, it's going to be a bad day. Oh, this is a beauty blender.
This is a cream face palette.
Oh, shit.
This is a cream face palette.
Oh, I live?
Oh, this is the Love Moi lip balm.
Oh, it's lip balm, not lipstick?
Mm-hmm. So I got the lip balm.
Oh my god! I
I'm
love that
living.
for you.
I know. Look at me.
Oh.
Oh, how cute! The packaging!
Okay, so we've got this here, and it's not like...
Oh, it looks quality.
It's not like an overlay, like they like stuck something on here. This is literally like a piece of resin with color, like all of its exact.
That's so cute.
I love that for you.
I just want to show you, before we open this box, that it does have her eyes on the side. Like, the packaging is so cute.
This is the most consistent packaging.
The packaging.
Everything is so themed,
Oh, that was
even
so
down
cool.
to the beauty blender. Like, the plastic on the box has her face on it, girl. I'm just saying.
Well, the beauty blender is a pig nose.
Shut up. Here, I'll get the plastic.
Okay.
You look at this and open that up.
Okay. So, here we've got...
And like I said, this video is not sponsored. This video is not in any way affiliated with them. It's merely fandom.
Alright, so it's got a mirror on the top.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm.
Fuck yes.
So it did come with a mirror.
Oh, that is huge.
And so what are these?
Blush palette.
Oh, it's a blush palette?
Yeah.
Ooh, I cannot... Oh, Miss Piggy does love her rouge. So that's really cute. Oh my god, it says who, moi, on the side of that. Do you see how cute that is? Oh, look at that bag.
My thinking is that this is literally a blush palette for all tones. It's got everybody covered no matter what. You can find something to work for you. It's probably creamy. Mm-hmm. So you might be able to blend it. You might be able to work it a little more than like a usual blush. Like, It's not going to be powdery, it seems like. Even though it looks like a pressed powder. I don't know. That's just me.
All right, we're going to check on that.
You know, kind of like when you get like a lip palette?
So, check this out.
Believe in moi. Who? Moi? Better yet, believe in moi. Talking to moi? Are vous talking to moi? Yes, the lipstick has print on it. Shut up.
Okay, can we... Oh, I don't even know
I don't
if
know
it'll
if you're
pick
gonna...
up.
I will find a way to get footage of this because this... Oh, no.
I lost the lid.
She's a goner. Okay, here we go. Now what now?
Okay, so now... Put the lid back on.
Put the lid on?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it's magnetic.
It's magnetic.
Bitch, this ain't coming apart in your purse.
It's got a magnet to hold it together. Yes, look, the beauty
The
blender.
Piggy Perfector, bitch.
It's a pig nose.
Shut up.
It is a pig nose.
I live.
It's a pig nose.
Oh my god. Do you want me to, like, put anything on?
Yeah, I kind of want to test some of this product. I really want to check out this lip balm for sure.
Well, go ahead and put that on for me.
Oh my god, I love it. Okay.
Yes, queen. And I like that it's a little bit tinted. It kind of gives me reminiscent of the... No, put it on, girl.
On my lips?
Yes.
Straight on?
I'm sure we could use it. I said we. Ooh.
Oh.
She getting up close and personal. She got the mirror and everything. Damn, girl.
I'm like, this is like really hydrating right now. I'm like, I just want to.
When I saw the shade, my immediate reaction was like, oh, that kind of looks like the strawberry chapstick.
I really don't think I don't think it really adds a lot of color, does it? Is it giving more?
No, there is color.
Is there?
Mm-hmm. Because this is definitely not like, I can see it in my mustache when it...
Look at your mustache out my lip balm.
Well, girl, I didn't I didn't shave with a damn razor.
Oh, ew, you better not, ew! Let me just see, I'm gonna give a little...
It's a little bit tinted because this is definitely not my regular... I got like...
Look at that.
It's tinted.
Look, there's a little bit of pink
Hello, fucking...
on my arm, like a little bit, but not a lot. I think I can get away with wearing this.
Oh, I see why they call it cream. It's
what?
It's actual cream. Like...
Oh, it is.
So I don't know if you're going to be able to see this as well. I'm going to kind of do a reflection here. Hang on, we're going to just drag on my arm real quick. This is the whitest palette in the room. Okay, so this is what it looks like, and
it is a cream.
Honestly, you could apply this anywhere.
Oh, wow.
This almost is a contour for me. Look at how dark that is.
Mm-hmm.
Like...
I agree.
This is so cool. Oh, damn, girl, she went heavy.
Well, I wanted to see, like, what these colors, like, actually look like.
When they blend out.
Mm-hmm.
And the way that it's creamy, you almost could use this if you put, like, a lip base on. You could, if you had a lip pencil, or, I mean, like, a lip brush, use it, you know?
I really like the lip balm a lot.
Oh, no.
What do you think?
That's a great look for you. I love that journey for you.
I love that journey for me, too. This is a cute collection.
I really like it.
And as a Muppets fan, I'm going to enjoy just owning this. And
it's fun. Like,
I really don't know if I'll ever use the Beauty Blender because I'll want to keep it intact. It's so cute.
You can clean beauty blenders, you know that, right?
Don't touch my Beauty Blender.
So we will be buying replacement beauty blenders. Review, 10 out of 10, 9 out of 10. How do you feel about it?
As a Muppets fan and as a Miss Piggy supporter and stan, because she is a legend, she is an icon, and she is the moment.
Speak on it, sis.
So I definitely have to give it 10 out of 10 for that. I don't know how much use I'm going to get out of the creams, but...
It's okay, I'll use them.
Well, then, yeah, then the 10 out of 10 on everything.
Yay, me!
Yeah, then we all win.
I love it for me. So,
well, thanks Ciaté London. Well, thank you so much for joining us today.
Yes, I had a blast.
This little unboxing.
I don't really
moment.
enjoy the Muppets as much as Bay does. That's more his thing, but I really enjoyed this collection, and I can't wait to use it since you're not going to. Except for the Beauty Blender, obviously.
Leave my lip balm alone. Like, look, these two I'm going to keep right over here. You can play with that if you want, but it's still mine.
So, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like and subscribe. Check out our Patreon so that you can support us and we can do more unboxing videos.
Yes!
Stop doing that face. So we're going to go so that he can stop doing that face.
But my lips.
Yeah, but where? Thank you so much for watching. And as always,
step your piggy up. Get it? Because Miss Piggy.
Get out. Leave.
That's Miss Piggy.
Leave.